She's been touring the US and bringing her curviness to lots of stages. But now she's back home and ready to launch her latest venture, a cookbook. From her table to yours, it's all about dining with Curvy. Yanique Curvy Diva, literally from your table to ours. We came by the house when you just started in your very own kitchen, and now we're here at Dining with Curvy, and now your cookbook. Tell me about your journey. What has it been like?
I swear to God, it's not until today when somebody was saying to me, "Boy, Yan, you did it." And I was like, "Did what? What are you talking about?" They're like, "No, girl, cookbook, you have seasoning line coming, you have merch, you have restaurant, and you start your yard, girl." I was like, "Oh my God." I think a lot of times people, we get so busy and so caught up in achieving our goals and to really go at it, I really don't realize that, to take a step and just to stop and realize, hey, I'm proud of myself. And it was just, I'm just happy. I can't believe it's happening. I can't believe, just everything, and it's so perfect. It's so amazing. The quality is good. Just the recipe is good. The whole, everything, it's made with love.
Body curvy for sure, entrepreneur.
What would you say was the most challenging part of the journey?
I think everything. The whole process was difficult. So I was cooking in my kitchen, and they were cooking early morning. I have a one chef with me, Kimani, and we're doing it. And then all of a sudden, the pressure cooker exploded. And I was like, I can't do this. I need a bigger stove. And then with that now, I'm like, let me go borrow somebody's kitchen. I was like, no, this is a pandemic. How dare me try to open a restaurant in a pandemic? And so I kind of went to every, bridging. I say, yo, beg on the kitchen on a Sunday now. They're like, yeah, man, we get the kitchen, but we can't get the bar. I said, then, but a Sunday, you don't even open, brother. And he's like, boy, Yan, we can't get the bar, man. And I'm like, what do I really mean? But anyways, I borrow one kitchen. And the little time I borrow the kitchen, it's not like them close the kitchen and let me, Them a cook. So me have to say, sorry, excuse me. I'm a cook. I'm here say, this too much. I say, brother, if you lend me a kitchen, take your chef out of the kitchen.
Some girl grudge me to the life I live.
So Chef Patrice is in the building. Hi, Chef, what's up? You looked through the book. What do you think about it?
It's a really good book. It has some really interesting recipes in it. And it's recipes that anybody can try. So whether you're a vegan or not, there's something in it for you.
Long time.
And then after all of these things, and then the cookbook, and then I'm like, okay, this is going to be easy. Peach turner, sweet Jesus, I love them. And I ate them sometime. My God. Ingrid called me, all right, so we're going to cook it again? We're coming tonight. No, man, tomorrow night. No, tonight. And she have a sweet way of saying that she's coming with, just like pleasure. Like, hey, yeah, man, I'm on my way. No, Ingrid, I don't want to cook no more. But it was hard, but it's amazing. The reward is amazing, and accomplishing everything. Looking at the restaurant, we still have far to go, and I'm happy about that. And the thing is, I am grateful, and not only grateful, but it gives me joy doing what I'm doing, and that is the key thing, to do something that you love. You don't even realize that it's that hard.
Some girl grudge me to the life I live.
What is next for Yanique Curvy Diva?
Oh my goodness, I have cookbook, seasoning line, doing clothes, all of these things. The next restaurant I'm looking in opening in Miami. Businesswoman all the way. Everybody's like, what about the music? I'm pulling a Rihanna. Give me a break. Leave me alone. No album yet. But music is still there. The passion is still there. But right now, this is the next passion of mine, and giving it a 100%. So what's next? Great things. The hotel. Eventually, I want to open one. Investors come. I am here. You are here. But the sky's the limit. And I think that's just it. Once you're following and doing what you love, there's nothing you can't do.
Yeah, and congratulations and all the best, Mama.